Yeah, he'll just send it to us.
And then
when
I'll
we
pass it. You guys just put all your taxes and all
There's a lot
that
here.
together.
There's a lot.
Yeah, I would put all this stuff just here.
Thanks, Robbie. I'm watching up at the next one. I'll come up. I'm not there.
We've got a whole team up on top of the hill at Aussie Arc that's essentially been isolated there for a number of days now. They've done incredible work, but we've got far more resource headed up today. In the past 2 or 3 days, we've had well over 300 mil of rain. Never seen anything like it. So our fences are still down, communications cut, power's off. Animals that need help have been helped and being helped. And really what we need now is just our boots on the ground. Get up there, take the veggies. One way or another, we're getting up the hill today.
Anyway, mate. Good, thank you.